Are you intimidated by your boat's VHF radio? Well, there's no reason to be. I'll explain how to use it and how to make a call. Your VHF, or very high frequency radio, has about 25 marine band channels programmed into it. First, for fixed mount radios, you're going to want to make sure your antenna is vertical. Once your radio's on, you need to adjust the squelch. To access the squelch in this Garmin VHF 215 AIS, you're going to press the volume, and then you're going to turn it down until you hear static, and then turn it up one notch until the static stops. This acts as a filter for signals that are too weak for the VHF to pick up. All right, before we make a call, we need to be sure we're on the correct channel. Channel 16 is used for hailing and distress. So you'd use this channel to call another boat, a marina, the US Coast Guard, or to report any distress. Once you're ready to make that call, you want to hold the transmitter or the microphone 2 to 3 inches from your mouth, press the transmit key, and then speak loudly and clearly. You don't need to yell, but you don't want to whisper either. All right, here's what that call looks like. Wrightsville Beach Marina, Wrightsville Beach Marina, Wrightsville Beach Marina. Miss Carson, channel 16.
Wrightsville Beach Marina, KXD 255. Do me a favor and shift over to channel 9, channel 09.
Channel 9. Miss Carson, standing by on channel 9 for Wrightsville Beach Marina.
Here's Wrightsville Beach Marina, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. I'm a 25-foot center console coming in for the night. Just want to know where you want me to head.
Alrighty, we're putting you on the very north end of our fuel dock, and we'll be out here to catch your lines.
Thank you very much. Miss Carson, standing by on 09 and 16.
Beach Marina, standing by on 09.
All right, a few things to point out about that call. When you do make a call on the VHF radio, I recommend calling that other person 3 times to make sure that you're heard. Next, it's going to be important to shift your traffic to a working frequency, just as Wrightsville Beach Marina shifted me to channel 9. You want to acknowledge that channel, switch over to that working frequency, and then announce yourself there. Use these tips when you're using your VHF radio to keep your communication simple and stress-free.